Hygienic control factors in craft beer brewing. With the improvement of living standards, the gentrification and diversification of beer has attracted more and more attention. Craft beer pursues high-quality satisfaction and drink the best and healthiest beer. Here are a few health controls in craft beer development. 1. Raw material selection and hygiene control. The raw materials of craft beer need to be selected. Pure premium malt is the most effective choice. The malt storage space should block moisture, mildew, insects, etc., and maintain air circulation. Pay attention to temperature levels and humidity adjustments in the malt storage room. Spray and fumigate the warehouse in advance to avoid pests. 2. Hygienic control of the brewing process. Milling control. The raw meal must be fed in time after milling, otherwise the malt will be wet and moldy. Boil control. Ensure adequate boil intensity and boil time. Container access control. After the steamed wort is pumped into the filter storage tank, it must be cooled in time. Ensure wort pipes, compressed air and yeast are sanitized before wort enters the tank. This will not cause air pollution after entering the container. 3. Fermentation hygiene control. Fermentation tank containers need to be cleaned in time and kept in a sterilized state. The ecological cleaning of the fermentation workshop should be neat and tidy, and ventilation should be carried out every quarter. 4. Hygiene control of bottled beer. Premium beer is packaged in containers, glass containers, etc. Containers are packaged to reduce temperature levels and storage space. Needs to be regulated by systematic sanitation program requirements. 5. Hygiene control of storage spaces and transport of completed items. Craft beer storage space and transportation requires the entire cold chain. If the temperature is not adjusted well, the yeast is easy to re-ferment, affecting the taste of the beer. Can cause pressure in the container, lift the lid, leak at the mouth of the container, and cause microbial contamination. Therefore, we must strictly control the hygiene control in brewing beer.